Hiking Quinn Springs today with my family. Nice little easy hike, very pretty. It's up close to the Coy River. See some nice little mountains in the background. Pretty moderate trail. The first part's a pretty good climb. We'll try to get it on the way back. It's an awesome trail to hike. Perfect day. About 50 degrees. We're almost coming up to the top now. Just up ahead of us. So here we are at one crest of the mountain here. What a great view. Wow. Very cool. All right, let's keep going up the mountain a little bit more. See, as you can see, as you keep going, you'll probably have to shed some layers of clothes. Definitely a great workout. Let's keep going up. The trail gets a little narrow right here. Almost to the top. As you see, watch your footing. A pretty good drop off right here. Keep going. I would say this trail is not really a good trail for a beginner, but a good intermediate trail. You're definitely gonna get an incredible workout. As you can see, I'm getting out of breath, but getting close to the top. Another spectacular view on the way up. Definitely some great opportunities for some amazing photos up here. Let's keep going. Made it to the top. Yeah, we made it to the top. There's my dog Fitz, wife Jen. They're the fast hikers. Slow guy finally called up. What are you doing, buddy? Easy. Hey, buddy. Easy. I got your water. Our brother-in-law Jason, mountain man. Cool hike, man. Some neat rocks at the top. And that's you, Corey. You got a little fire going in the rock. Drying the shirt.
Yeah, I did.
Did it work?
It was going pretty good, and then like the pile just kind of fell down, and now it's going out.
So you need some small dry twigs?
Yeah, but it might already be too late. I'm down to inches now.
View from the top. Crazy. Just checking out the view. Today we just got through hiking Quinn Springs. It's probably, I would say it's more of an intermediate trail. Took myself maybe an hour and a half. No, my in-laws and my wife got a little more experience, a little better cardio, maybe an hour. So I would say maybe an hour or two for a good hike. Beautiful trails, as you can see from some of the video. You got to be aware of bears, and it's a good place to walk your dog too. We took our dog Fitz, and it's a little flooded. We got a nice little pavilion picnic area up here, a few tables, a grill, and they also have bathrooms over here if you need them. But overall, fun day of hiking. So be sure if you liked our videos to subscribe and hit the thumbs up on our videos and the little bell to be notified when we come out with new videos. Thanks a lot.